What's up, guys? So it's a little bit after 5. It's like 5:30ish right now. As you can see, it's still not even light outside. Me, my brother, and my mom in the car right there. We're about to take about an hour and a half car ride to Newport Beach, catch a boat from Newport to Catalina. And we're spending the day in Catalina doing some hiking, sightseeing. I'm not sure exactly what we're doing yet, but let's go. Alright, what's up, guys? So we just got to Newport Beach. We're about to go down to the dock to check in to get on our boat to go to Catalina. So let's go.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so we just made it to the island, as you can see. We just ate some breakfast. Now we're walking to the trail. Found this cool little workout spot. And yeah, we're about to head up to the trail. See you there. We just hiked to the top of Hermit Gulch hiking trail,
also known as Banana Grundle Trail.
what she said. And we made it to what? Mostly to the top, right? Look at this view. We're already on our way back down now. We're gonna go down, probably chill on the beach for a little bit, probably get some drinks, chill, take the boat back. Tacos.
Catalina wine mixer.
So
So this is what we're working with right now. Just look at this view. All of this. Alright guys, so super rad day in Catalina. I did some swimming, got some underwater footage. We saw some dolphins. Boat ride back was pretty sweet. Actually took a little nap. But overall, awesome day. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe.
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer!